In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started with Monday.com or you're looking to enhance your data capabilities, this guide will help you make the most of your dashboard by integrating powerful formulas. We'll walk through the process of seamlessly adding formulas to your board, clarifying each step for ease of understanding and efficiency. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board where you intend to add a formula. If you haven't selected a board yet, take a moment to consider which one could benefit most from this functionality. Formulas can be used for a range of purposes, like calculating sums, averages, or even creating more complex operations. Knowing where you'll be applying your formula can make the process smoother and help ensure you derive the most value from your effort. Once you're on your desired board, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a plus icon. This is your starting point for adding new functionalities. By clicking on this familiar plus sign, you'll be presented with a variety of options to enhance your board's capabilities. It's essentially your gateway to customizing your dashboard further. With the new menu open, scroll through the list of potential additions. If you're already familiar with the layout, it might be faster to simply type "formula" into the search bar to quickly locate it. Scrolling might also offer a chance to explore other features that could be beneficial for future projects. Now that you've found the formula option, it's time to input your custom formula. This part can be as simple or complex as your project demands. Consider what your goal is, whether it's calculating revenue, tracking time, or analyzing project status, and craft a formula that will best support that objective. Remember, the syntax is crucial, so double-check that everything aligns correctly to ensure accuracy in your results. After entering your formula, the next step is to finalize it by clicking on the button labeled Set Formula. This action will apply your formula, triggering any calculations or analyses you've configured. It's a satisfying moment, watching your board update with new data insights that these calculations offer. It's also a good idea to test the formula to ensure it's working as intended. Review the results and make adjustments if necessary to refine your calculations and outcomes. By following these steps, you've successfully added a formula to your Monday.com board, enhancing its capability to deliver valuable data insights. This process, while straightforward, opens new avenues for productivity and data analysis within your projects. Keep exploring, and soon you'll discover even more creative ways to utilize formulas across your boards. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.